my show. Today I'm gonna go and pick some tomatoes from my mom's garden. And here are all the tomatoes here. I'm gonna start picking and they look so juicy. Tonight at dinner time I'm gonna go and eat them and I'll make my mom proud. She really wants me to eat tomatoes. I think tomatoes are sour, but I try my best to eat them. Now let's just get picking. One tomato. Oh my gosh. This tomato is so red. There's a tomato here. My mom just watered the plants. That's why the soil looks so, like,
Wet.
yeah, wet. There's a lot in here. All these vines make me get tangled. Look at all the tomatoes.
Okay, let's get picking, baby.
My dad is helping right now. Ah! Oh my God!
Wanna try one? Go ahead.
Yeah, it's good. It's not sour, baby.
It is to me.
You know why?
Why?
Did you just eat ice cream? No, you just ate Cheetos.
And I.
Daddy ate ice cream too. Not sour.
No,
We all eat a lot.
it's just I always get this sour face.
Mẹ mà tưới xong chị tưới này.
Here are some tomatoes over here. This is the biggest tomato I ever seen in this basket. This is the biggest one in this basket. This is the biggest and ripest one I ever seen in this basket. Why are there a lot of tomatoes buried over here?
Oops.
That is an accident!
Okay, pick it up.
Ow! It's wet.
It's okay. We have to wash it before we eat.
I know. Now we're on the next tree of tomatoes. I mean, plant of tomatoes. Yummy, yummy tomatoes. I just call them tomatoes. I like tomatoes. Oh my God, the basket is getting a little heavy.
You wanna try one, baby?
Yuppie.
You wanna try one?
Oh, this is the old one. Let me try one.
Your turn, baby. What's wrong?
Sour. Makes me have goosebumps too. Wow.
But it's healthy, right?
Even though it makes me goosebumps and it's sour to me, it will digest and it will make me grow. Let's go on the other side. These look so delicious. I'm gonna get 2 at once. And that's all the tomatoes I see. The right ones. Let's go to the next tree if there's one. These are some little tomato plants that are trying to grow to adult ones. And also, and there's a lot of tomato. And we'll eat them tonight at dinner. And I hope they're very tasty. when they're washed. I have fun picking today. All these tomatoes right here. They're red and juicy and yummy. And I had fun picking tomatoes today. I hope you enjoy watching this video of tomatoes. And I will see you in the next video. Click the like and subscribe my video. Oops, I mean subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. And these little juicy tomatoes. See ya, bye.